morning to everybody. Happy day. Hope everybody's having a great day today. We're super excited about the episode that we're getting ready to share with you. It's the second episode in our California series. And for those of you who have been following me for a while, you know I love Baker and Olive. Their products are amazing. Their balsamic vinegars, their olive oils, and their spices. I have given them lots of shout outs on the episodes because I use their products a lot. And we were so fortunate to be welcomed into their store in Encinitas, a little bit north of San Diego. Had an amazing time, and we're about to share that episode with you. So I think you're going to be very inspired with some of the things that we share with you. But I just wanted to give a quick little shout out that since we filmed that episode, we have, the Consummate Host has now formed an affiliation with Baker and Olive. So if you get inspired and you decide that you want to, shop or try some of the things that we talk about in the episode, click on the link that's in the description for this video and you will get a 10% discount on anything you purchase. And as always, free shipping on orders over $75. So I hope you get as inspired as I was in creating these ideas to share with you. Again, my love for Baker and Olive has been there really since I launched the Consummate Host. And now you're going to have a chance to try it and you can get a 10% discount. So just click on the link in the description. That'll take you to the Baker and Olive website and you can just let your imagination go wild with some of their products. So enjoy the episode and we'll see you next time. So hello and welcome to our next episode. We are on day 2 of our California adventure, and I'm so excited to say that we are here at Baker and Olive in Encinitas, California. A lot of you have heard me tell my stories about how I discovered Baker and Olive. Visiting friends a few years ago, we had been wine tasting all day and came back to the house and wanted something refreshing to drink. And my friend suggested that we do a sparkling water with balsamic vinegar, and at that moment, it was one of the best things I had ever tasted. So that began my love affair with Baker and Olive, and we're so glad to have you here with us today. So I am joined by my new friend, Kellen, and one of the things I loved when I met Kellen is he said to me, kind of talking about the products, we are really geared towards helping people be successful in their cooking and their hosting, but keeping it simple and accessible. And that's what we love, simplicity and accessibility. So Kellen, yes. What are we doing today?
Well, we're going to be trying a lot of products, but I'm glad that you touched on that because we do have some local restaurants that buy our products and make tremendous meals. The way a lot of us try to use our products or like to use our products is just real simple, like you said. It's a simple salad, and then all of a sudden it's enhanced with our oils and vinegars.
Love it.
So we want to take you through first just a general tasting of our olive oils and balsamic vinegars. We've got some bread here for that. And then we'll go through making a simple salad.
Okay.
Just a very simple salad.
We like simple, for sure.
And then after that, I think we make a balsamic beverage and toast.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Sounds like a plan. All right, okay, what next?
All right, so let's go around and let's try an olive oil.
Okay.
A dark balsamic and a light balsamic.
Okay.
And then let's have you pick some to pair together.
Perfect.
Okay.
Love it, love it, love it, love it.
So, Wayne, here we have infused olive oils.
Okay.
So you've got, say, a lemon-fused olive oil, Persian lime, the spicy Calabrian pesto. So these are kind of our fun olive oils that everyone likes to play with.
Okay.
And then over down here, we've got our single varietals.
Got it. So these are probably geared towards just like instant combinations that are going to be delicious. Mm-hmm. And those are probably more towards people that might want to create their own.
Absolutely. And then also those have a higher polyphenol count. So that's kind of the heart healthy aspect.
I was like, polyphenol? What?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. So heart health.
Yes. So I'm sure you've heard at some point in time that olive oil is healthy for you.
Right.
One of the main reasons is the antioxidants and the polyphenols.
Got it.
So you'll see, I'll give you a higher polyphenol olive oil today.
Okay.
Might need to bring you a water too, because it's got a little peppery kick.
Whew, okay, sounds good.
All right.
Okay, so let's taste something. I love that you guys have it all in these like dispensers. They're so cool.
They are fun. All right, so let's do, what sounds fun to you? You think Eureka lemon is one of the favorites. The Tuscan herb has got a lot of flavor, a lot of scent to it too, so it's great on the nose.
Let's try the blood orange. That kind of caught my eye.
Okay. Okay, so here's your blood orange olive oil. Right off the bat, you can see a nice vibrant color.
What a gorgeous color.
Yeah.
You know, one thing I noticed when I got my first shipment is it's so interesting to see the variety of color
Yes.
in all the different oils, from very light to almost clear to almost completely opaque.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, you can see that, especially with the single varietals. Kind of a liquid gold, we like to call it.
you
get the notes of the blood orange.
Is this sourdough? What is
This is a sourdough.
It's so good. What a great combo.
Yeah.
I love it. So the orange is really heavy. It's almost like wine tasting.
Yeah.
The orange is really heavy, like on the nose. You know
Yes,
what I mean?
yes.
Like maybe not so much the flavor, but like when I breathe out, I really get the orange.
Yeah, completely agree. And so there are some of our olive oils that are a little bit more, say, nose heavy than on the palate. And
I love a
just kinda
nose heavy
adds to
olive
the-
oil. It's so good.
It just adds to the sensory of it when you are making a salad or what have you. So when you go blood orange, right off the bat, I'm thinking dark balsamic to pair with it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna trust you.
We're gonna come over here. This is our dark balsamic section. I'm going a little crazy here with pomegranate, dark balsamic, aged.
God, look at that color.
Yeah, aged 18 years.
Okay, what do we age balsamic vinegar?
So these are aged classic, in the classic modality in Modena, Italy.
Okay.
Right, so it's barrel aged, and that's where all the sweetness comes
God, the fragrance on this is like, wow.
So we're not adding any sugars to this. or
Okay.
anything like that. So that's a natural aging process, and that's what you're gonna get with all that sweetness.
Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna taste this. So just like it is.
Just go for it.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So good. This is one of those things where, in the spirit of the simplicity that we were discussing,
Yeah.
this by itself, I can already imagine on so many different things.
Can totally hit. You
Yep.
could add some seasoning into it. Yeah.
Love it.
Humor me, if you will, Wayne. We're gonna go a little pomegranate in here. We've got the pomegranate balsamic mixed in with the blood orange olive oil. So you can dip in there. Now for a salad dressing or something, we'd wanna mix that up, but for just dipping, pair the two as such. Yeah, now we have the fat to balance the acid, the balsamic.
I'm craving like some pepper on top of that or something.
Yeah, it's probably
you know?
the olive oil.
Oh my God.
Or you say you're craving some pepper.
I'm just saying some pepper. Yeah, pepper on top of it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep. Yummy, delicious.
Now let's do a white balsamic.
White balsamic. Let's do it.
All right.
Can't wait.
Our top selling white balsamic is our Sicilian lemon white balsamic.
Which I have.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, which I'm out of.
Which, okay.
Actually.
Well, I know a guy who can help you today.
I kind of had a feeling.
All right.
I said at breakfast, I said, I think I'm going to be doing some shopping today also.
Yeah.
So that's
well, we're
good.
also going to do some carb loading.
Oh,
Could you grab another
exactly.
piece of bread?
God. Okay.
Okay.
I love
go.
this one. I can't wait.
What's fun about the white balsamics is most folks haven't even heard of white balsamic. You just kind of think of the traditional dark balsamic.
Exactly.
So these are aged 12 years, so a little bit lighter. You'll notice it's not as thick as some of the dark balsamics, not quite as rich, a little bit more brightness.
Not as heavy.
Yeah.
Which is nice. Which is
Yeah.
good, actually, because sometimes balsamics can be intense.
They
You
can.
know, can be very intense. So
Yes.
you have to be careful.
Absolutely.
I love it.
Can I give you my favorite pairing?
Absolutely.
All
please.
right.
I want that. Guide me. You're,
Okay.
you're the expert.
Okay.
I only align myself with experts.
Okay, well, I'll fit that mold today. So my personal favorite here for, say, dressings,
So this is basil.
basil olive oil, paired with our grapefruit white balsamic.
Okay. So basil and grapefruit, not a pairing I would have thought of.
I know. This is when you've been around the block a little bit.
I love it.
You've tried them all. You've played a little bit.
I also
Okay.
tend to hang out with people who have been around the block. So
I'm just gonna mix this up a little bit so you can get more of an idea of the
Perfect.
blend. Our basil olive oil is just very well balanced. Smooth, it's subtle. Little note there on the nose.
I can smell the basil from
Yeah.
here. Yeah, I can smell the basil from here.
And then the grapefruit's got all the sweetness and tartness you could ask for.
Oh my God.
It
That
works, huh?
is him. Lisa, come here. Come on. This is one of my new California friends that I just met.
Hello.
Part of the Consummate Host fan club here in California. You gotta taste this.
Okay.
It's so good. Get a piece of bread here, yes. So this is basil balsamic with, and what?
Basil olive oil.
Basil
Grapefruit.
olive oil with grapefruit
White
balsamic.
balsamic.
Try it.
Yep. Okay. Ooh, that'll be-
That's like heaven. That is like heaven right there. And like I said, not a pairing I would have thought of.
So I lied, we got one more pairing. I got to take
awesome.
you through.
Good deal. Can't
Okay.
wait.
Okay, now the Harissa over here is gonna be more of a spicy olive oil, and you can see with the color right off the
Wow,
bat.
beautiful.
Beautiful color on it. Now, since we've got spice, we need something sweet to balance it. One of our favorites, our second bestseller, is our peach white balsamic.
Which I also have.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here. Now, if you throw this over some fresh tomatoes, again, maybe some salt and pepper, some garnish. This is a can't miss dish. That's just gonna shock your guests.
So now I'm in that dilemma. You know, it's like kids, it's hard to pick a favorite.
Yeah.
I love the
I've got
spiciness on this one. I love the spiciness on this one.
Yeah.
And again, going back to what we were talking about, some tomatoes,
Yep.
drizzle this over it, good to go.
Let's not overcomplicate things.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. Now, once again, very simple. This looks like just arugula, right?
This is just arugula.
Just arugula. And we're going to drizzle with, we've got the Persian lime. So we're gonna do a little drizzle of the Persian lime.
Now, don't be shy. Let's get some flavor.
Okay, perfect.
Good. And so for the combination, we like to go about 50-50 with these.
And then this is the Sicilian lemon, which we had earlier.
Yep.
So
about equal parts olive oil to balsamic. If you want it sweeter, a little bit more balsamic. And we're just gonna massage it in a little bit. So it'd be fun if we had a racing clock here to see how fast we're gonna make this sound.
Right.
But, okay. So we've got our arugula, the oil and the balsamic. It's been massaged in. Let's get a little bit of Parmesan cheese over the top. And then how about some pistachios?
those look amazing.
Okay.
Oh, my folks back home will be so excited. We have, so about 90 minutes outside of El Paso, there's a little region that's got multiple pistachio farms.
Okay.
So it's super fun to go visit them. And you could even layer in another flavor aspect with different flavors of pistachios.
Yes,
So
that's a
it'd be
great
lot
call.
of fun. Yeah.
So here, you know, it may be a different setting, home setting, a little salt and pepper if you wanted. But I mean, this is about as basic as you can get in a salad.
Oh my God, okay.
Go ahead
Here we
and
go.
give it a shot.
The trick is getting a little bit of everything.
Got to get a little bit of everything.
Right? All right.
Look at that. Nice hearty bite. You got to love it.
So delicious.
Yeah.
You know, when you get the pairings that work just right with arugula,
Yeah.
there's like nothing better.
Yeah.
It's so good.
So that's just an example of how the home chef could use our products in a very simple, easy way. So again, you've got some arugula in the fridge, some cheese, pistachios, and you've got a quick salad that all of a sudden feels like an elevated salad
Exactly.
because of the olive oil and the balsamic.
Exactly. Yep.
Yeah.
So one of my taglines is I like to say, curate and elevate.
No,
And
I
that's
like that.
exactly what we're doing. Like when you curate the ingredients, it's easier to create an elevated experience. So that was awesome.
Well said.
So again, in the spirit of simplicity and giving hosts options for creating something elevated and curated, we're going to cheese now. So tell me what we've got here.
Okay. So we got 3 different cheeses. We have a fromage, think a nice creamy brie. We've got our drunken goat cheese and then a cheddar.
Okay, awesome.
Now what we're gonna do with
So
that,
this is probably the lighter of the 3.
Exactly.
Okay, and then
Yep.
this will be a little
that's gonna be sharper.
sharper and
hot
then
flavor.
creamy. Okay,
Nice
love
and
it.
creamy. So we're gonna throw balsamics on these different cheeses.
Okay.
And you can enjoy them in different ways. We have the bread, maybe just with a toothpick and
Okay.
enjoy the cheese with the balsamic.
Okay,
But
perfect.
what we're gonna try here, let's first start with the lightest, and we're gonna throw the apricot.
Okay, so this is an apricot balsamic.
Yep. This is
Awesome.
gonna be for the whole team to enjoy, so I'm just gonna kind of douse this. So that's
Excited. Can I taste that?
Please,
Okay.
enjoy. So an apricot white balsamic, 12-year aged, with our drunken goat cheese.
Mmm. It's not as light as I was expecting, the cheese.
Yeah,
it's good
it's got good flavor.
though. That is delicious. So good. Gloria, you want to try? Come on. Come on now. Do it. Here. Yum.
everything.
Excellent.
That's really good.
It's a little pop of flavor, something different.
I love it.
Okay.
I love it. Okay, what's next?
Let's go into the fromage.
Okay.
So I don't want to get my hands all over
Okay.
your bread here, but I would recommend getting a little slice of the fromage, throwing it on the bread, and then we're going to drizzle some fig 18-year aged balsamic over the top. And go ahead and yeah, don't worry about making a mess. We're all going to eat it later, right? Oh yeah. That's the showstopper.
So delicious. I love that fig so much. Delicious. That's like borderline dessert.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh my God.
That's a great idea on ice cream.
Totally could.
Absolutely.
For sure.
You know, I'm glad that you mentioned that. Another way that we've seen our balsamics used recently that kind of caught us off guard is over Greek yogurt.
Interesting.
And then specifically, this is kind of fun for kids, because a lot of kids will want like honey or different sweeteners on their yogurt. But since these are no sugar added balsamics, put it over Greek yogurt, all of a sudden you have great flavor and you're not adding the extra.
So now I'm thinking, imagine you could do a fruit yogurt balsamic.
Absolutely.
Would be so good.
Yeah.
Melons. Oh my God. Okay.
good call.
Yay. Cool. All right. What's our last one?
So the last one here is going to be Gravenstein apple over cheddar cheese.
Okay.
So when you're thinking apple and cheddar, I had a grandpa that used to do that. Yeah. So
Well, let me tell you. So just on that same note.
Yeah.
So I did a 3-part series centered around Easter brunch.
Okay.
So we did, one was about mimosa bar, one was the food that we served, and one was like elevated egg decorating. So we
Yeah.
did all these really cool things. But at the brunch, I served a grilled cheese sandwich
Okay.
that was brie,
Yes.
Granny Smith apple,
Yes.
spiced chili marmalade on a grilled sourdough. And it was like to die for. So that's, and it's funny, I tell people, I'm not an apple fan. Like I don't gravitate towards apples, but
Sure.
on a grilled cheese sandwich like that,
That's an idea.
it was so good. Okay, let's do this.
That's a great idea. Okay. Gravenstein.
What's a Gravenstein apple?
That's a type of apple.
Type of apple, okay.
Yeah. Perfect. Get after it. Let the whole team enjoy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. It's the same reason that grilled cheese sandwich works. The sharpness of the cheddar and the sweet of the apple are
right.
so good together.
Yeah. This is a fun game we like to play here too. When
love
there's
it.
no customers in, we go, what would happen if we paired this with this? So,
Or you could just do like blind random pickings
Yeah.
and see how it turns out, right?
which does happen with some customers. You go, hey, come here, try this for a second. They're like, well, hold on, what am I getting into?
I love it. I love it. Okay, this has been so amazing.
Good.
You have I love the whole concept of just easy ways to elevate a culinary experience. It's not rocket science. It's quality ingredients coming together, and just making experiences that will be memorable and unforgettable for people. So it's been great. Awesome.
Great. Well, then if you ever create anything that you think is spectacular and worth sharing, we love to share our customers' recipes
Oh,
with
awesome.
our newsletter and all that. So
Excellent.
And that goes for everyone watching. If you make something that you think we should all try, please send us an email.
Okay.
We'd love to get it out there.
I feel like I've been given a challenge now. Like I'm gonna go home and make the coolest thing, so I can get onto your social media. So,
Great.
Kellen, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This has been an amazing experience, and again, it's so awesome to be back in Southern California, here in Encinitas at Baker and Olive. California has opened its arms to the Consummate Host, and this experience has been no different. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you're inspired, and we'll see you on our next episode.